This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barry Murac and Christopher Davall. Gorgeous 4-bedroom and 3-bath pool home in gated Colony Court. Executive home boasts a bright and open floor plan, soaring ceilings in living room, separate dining room, chef's kitchen with high-end appliances throughout open to great room. Master ensuite features tray ceiling, luxurious bath includes double vanities, Roman tub and separate shower. Rich wood flooring throughout second floor. French doors open to private oasis including outdoor kitchen with 2 gas grills, tiki hut and heated freeform pool with spa, perfect for entertaining. For more information, review the details below or contact Barry Murac and Christopher Davall at 954-296-7700.